Hi guys, today's lesson is on ch sound. Ch, ch, ch. Now to start the lesson, we'll reverse on our previous sounds. We start with what? E, z, ng, o, y, x. Good. Now story. Chinaza is traveling to Enugu on the train. The train goes faster and faster and makes the sound ch 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 ch. Now put out your hands to be the steam train, moving the arm. Let's go. Ch 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 ch. Good job. Let's hear the sound. Ch ch ch. Good. Now let's see how ch is written. Now can you try that? Good. It's time to blend the words. Ch, art, chat. Ch, est, chest. Ch, es, chess. Ch, ek, check. Alright? Now, which of these words does not contain the ch sound? This is a chick, chimney, drum, cheese. Again, chick, chimney, drum, cheese. So which one does not have the ch sound? Drum. Correct.
Drum.
Now let's take out our pen and paper and write the sound. Ch, ch. Good. X, x, x. Fantastic. Y, y, y. O, o, o. Ng, ng. Z, z. And now write these words for me. Much, much. Such, such. Chat, chat. Chin, chin. It's time for our song. Ready?
Trains are chugging up the hill. Trains are chugging up the hill. Choo choo.
It's time to read the phrases. Ready to read the phrase? A plum chicken. A buzzing bee. A strong chain. A spelling lesson. Again. A plum chicken. A buzzing bee. A strong chain. A spelling lesson. Fantastic.